Hey Ben, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to touch on a few tips and tricks you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. I sit on the phone with Nate. This is just kind of a light search engine optimization audit of your website, just to kind of go over a few things that you could start doing to improve your customer base through visiting your website more often. So without further ado, let me just show you a few things you could start implementing now to help bring the ranking of your website up. So first things first, just looking at your website here, it's a fairly shorter website. It looks like it's a general single page with an overlay and an inlay on top of it. So it doesn't look bad by any means, just some things I was noticing. So with that, what I'm going to go over first is going to be content. So in order to be completely optimized with Google, they release that their algorithms are searching for a minimum of about 1,500 words on the home page. So if you don't have that 1,500 words, you're just kind of not meeting one of the minimum things to get started. Now, of course, you don't need to have that much if you're doing other things right, such as your SEO and your keywords. However, it's going to help you check one of those boxes. And although it might not get you to the first page of Google on its own, it is one of those things that you could be beating out some of your competition and just knocking off the small fries. So with that said, the way it's tracked is basically anything you can highlight is kind of the content piece. However, to make it faster, we can use this tool I have called SEO Quake, which you can get online for free to see. So it shows that you have 507 total words on your homepage. So you're about 1,000 words shy. So by simply just adding more content and more information on this homepage, you could just be meeting that first minimum requirement. Now, the second thing I want to talk about goes hand in hand with the content quantity, and it's going to be basically the quality of that content, specifically the keywords you're being found for. So a keyword is any word or phrase that is typed into Google. For example, I typed in carpet cleaning Phoenix, so this would be the whole keyword. And we can see your number one competitor via Google organic search is this company right here. This, I think it's called, Done Your Way Carpet Cleaning. This is their website. A simple build. It's a little more aesthetically pleasing, and it's very simplistic. However, they do a really good job at their SEO and their keywords. So another tool I use is called Ahrefs. So we can see right here, this is your website. carpetcleanersphoenix.com is your URL, and typed it in, and we can see that you're being found for 20 keywords. Now, if we look at your competitor here, we can see they have 4.3 thousand, but we can even look more in depth at what those are. For example, carpet cleaning Phoenix, they're the number 2 position. But what's awesome to see is that you can see that that's searched 1.3 thousand times a month. A month. That's crazy to me. So you're missing out on all of these customers because the way that the click rate breaks down, or the stats released by Google, over 80% of people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So if you're not in those top 5 positions, you might as well not even have a website, because a lot of people aren't going to find it. So getting to that front page is going to be paramount. So as we can see, you're missing out on just that search alone. If you were doing, let's say, Mesa, you could be missing out 1,000 right there. Carpet cleaning Tucson, carpet cleaning Mesa, just Arizona. You can see it, how many, they're being found for almost 4,500 keywords. So the last thing I'm going to touch on is how you get to the top spot of Google, and that's search engine optimization. And the most important thing is going to be backlinks. And a backlink is just a link from any website pointing to your website. It's basically a giant popularity contest. But what happens is when a site points at another website, it transfers some of its power. So you have to make sure that not only you have more backlinks, but that the backlinks are more quality backlinks from a higher powered sites. So we can see that they have a domain rank of 27, which is basically the authority of their website. But they have 1.5 thousand backlinks, and they're drawing in over 8,000 customers a month. Now, if we go back to yours, we can see you have 61 backlinks, and you're drawing in 6 customers a month. Just organic now. This is organic clicks, right? So it's not necessarily a customer or a lead specifically. It's someone who is clicking on your website simply based on typing into Google whatever they're searching. So if I typed into Google, your business name specifically, then that would still count if I clicked here. But like me clicking here is a visit that goes to that 8.3 thousand. Hopefully that makes sense. So in closing, we discussed 3 quick things. We talked about having 1,500 words on your homepage. We talked about how important keywords were, and you could see how the volume that you're missing could be paramount to growing your business. Thirdly, we talked about backlinks and how that offsite SEO is going to be what's going to get you to the front page of Google. So if you like what you heard, and you can see I know my stuff, but you want to hear what else I have to offer and give you a more specific plan of how we can get your website to the front page, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.